Welcome to the Apple Classroom Viewing Students' iPad Screens video tutorial. Let's first begin by locating and tapping on the Apple Classroom app. Next, you will see all your available Apple Classrooms. Here, I'm going to tap on my grade pre-K to 12 Apple Classroom demo. You can view all of your student screens in this class view. They are seen as thumbnails. You can tap on an individual student, and from this menu tap on the binoculars to view one individual student's screen. Here's what their screen would look like. It is a full screen view on your teacher iPad. When viewing an entire class at once, here's an example of what that would look like. All students are using the same app. Here is an example of a whole class view of their screen thumbnails, where students are on a variety of apps. Once again, to see a student's screen up close, you would tap on their name and tap on the binoculars to view their screen full size. Thank you.